So today, I just finished reading Katabasis by R.F. Kuang. It took me about a month to finish it, but this book is giving dark academia vibes, academic rivals, misunderstandings, magic, and a journey to hell, like literal hell. So if you don't know the hype yet, it's about Alice Law who accidentally unalives her Cambridge professor, which is Professor Grimes, and has to travel to hell to revive him so he can write her a recommendation letter to become one of the greatest magicians. Now, when she's about to enter the underworld, Peter Murdoch, her silent academic rival, decides to go with her, not knowing what kind of journey they're about to face in hell. So, one of the things I absolutely loved about this book is R.F. Kuang's writing. Chef kiss all the time. It's very relatable. And yes, sometimes I had to pause and Google things, but her writing never fails to blow my mind and give me those ooh and ah moments. And also another thing I like is how informative it is about hell and all the references she used. And aside from that, the character development is so smooth, in my opinion. It shows how someone can change the way you think, how sometimes life feels like there's nothing more than your goals, not just in academics, but in life in general. Sometimes life will drag you to hell first before you wake up and realize there's more to life than just grinding for your goals. And also, this book shows that there will always be someone who brings literal hell into your life, making you think it's for your own good when in reality, they're just tormenting you, whether to gain something or it's just for fun. So it's up to you. Are you staying in hell or are you finding a way to barter your way out? Me, I'm choosing the latter, obviously. But with all that being said, I honestly don't have any dislikes about this book. Yes, it took me a month to finish it, but because some parts were very intimidating and a little confusing, but I still loved it and really enjoyed it. So overall, if you love dark academia, a tiny dash of romance, like teeny tiny dash, magic, and a little insight into hell, then this is for you. And I'm giving this 5 out of 5 stars. So the question is, have you read this already? If you have read it, I want to know your thoughts. If not, I highly recommend you to add this in your TBR because this is a good book to read before the year ends.